Hello everyone who's just tuning in. Just to let you know, I'll be going live, or I am live, and I'm going to do an unboxing of this mini SCARYGIRL box. So let me fine tune a little bit of stuff. Please tilt your phone to this side. I'll be doing this landscape. Wave hi to everyone. I'll be doing this in landscape format, and I more likely will not be able to answer your questions because I might not see it. But anyway, I'm trying to access my laptop here to see live, but it's not working. Wow. So now time now it's 9 o'clock exactly on the Thursday evening, 9 p.m. on the 28th of October, and I'm here 26th of October, 26th. I'm here to open this box in celebration of the SCARYGIRL movie, animated movie, that is opening in Australia today. Congratulations, Nathan. And yeah, and I thought this would be a perfect time for me to unbox something which I've held for a very, very long time. And I just so happened to find the box not too long ago, just maybe about a week ago, and I thought this is a perfect time to unbox it. So yes, let me reiterate again, I'm filming this in a landscape format, so tilt your phone to the side, and I unfortunately might not necessarily be able to read your comments or replies immediately. I might take a pause and read, but a bit hard lah. Okay, so anyway, opening up mini SCARYGIRL. So I don't know if anybody recognizes this box. If you do, then you're my error lah. I mean, you're from my error. Not error as in wrong, but my timeline. Let's have a look at what this box is. This is dated 2004 from Flying Cat. Okay, SCARYGIRL from Nathan's release in 2004, collaboration with Flying Cat. I managed to grab this when I was in Hong Kong for my once and only time in Hong Kong in 2004. Made in China, cool. So the thing was, and I admit it, when I first got it, I was familiar with SCARYGIRL already because I've seen print cartoons of it, but not necessarily figures. So this is the first time I was seeing the figures in person. And when I bought this back in 2004, I admit my intention was to bring it back and to sell it. But as all my toy schemes are, I fell in love with it and I kept it. And I kept it for many years. I didn't have a chance to open it up, or rather I'd have no display space. So this is the first time I'm opening this up in public, I mean via Instagram Live. At the same time, yeah, just let you all see characters you more likely will be familiar with, released through the years. This is how it looked. Well, this is one of the incarnations from 2004. Okay, let's open up. Less talking, see more toys. Quite dusty lah, I admit. Oh, nice. I love the little flap of the Flying Cat. I've never checked if this was still working, and I've never checked if everything was still hunky-dory with the brand, and I apologize if it's not, but I've the toys. I'm here for the toys anyway. So yes, these are the figures. Nice, like pretty awesome PVC figures. Nice. I don't know, maybe it's not a good idea with this in the background. Let me take this out. Yeah, maybe this works better, right? This works better. I'll keep this dude at the corner here. Nice. So yeah, this looks better. Cool. Ooh, nice little handbag. Oh, now I'm seeing this for myself as well. 4 figures inside this card, or rather this box. One by one, we'll take them out. Yeah, the figures have aged, you can feel them. So, ooh, this is nice and oily, vinyl sweat. Yikes. Okay, a little handbag I won't take out. Take out, sure, Lawson. Okay. Let me put tissue at the side just in case. And I'll do one by one. Yeah, maybe with a... Yeah, let's do a tap like this. Nice. Scary Girl itself. Arky. Yes, she has a name. Arky. Yeah. You can see the moldy old really. But cool. This is how the figure is. Is it articulated? Yes, it is. Articulated the hands, neck. Maybe not the neck, but the hands. Can it? No, cannot remove the base. This is Arky. Yeah. I won't. Yeah, let me do a slow look, so at least I can see the brightness. Love the butterfly. Was this a moth? I don't really know. Hairpin. Eye patch. PVC figures. I mean, I've always been quite hesitant about PVC figures all these years, but as of late, or at least in the last decade, I really do enjoy them because it's the closest you might ever get to action figures. If a lot of properties do not get to be made actual vinyl figures, the PVC is the closest you get, I feel, and this is pretty awesome, man. Can put her here. See the next dude? I'm not familiar with the name, so apologies in advance. Yeah, let me put like this because I think the colors are not coming out well. Yeah, sorry, the colors are not coming out well, but this is nice. Oh gosh, yeah, I can see the yellowed with age, no doubt PVC. Yeah, probably I might try to clean it, but no dice unless I have display space, because unfortunately these will all go back into the box. Yeah, a bit of blemishes. Oh, I can scrape out. Yeah, but I don't want to scratch. Nice. Wearing slippers? Nice. Adorable. Socks with slippers. Or maybe it's not sock because it's like white skin in the first place. No articulation here. So this is cool. Next dude, whose name escapes me. I've never looked at the box. Maybe they were names. But it would be nice if the box had drawings of the figures and the names to go with the figures, so folks are able to understand more. I mean, maybe there's... I can't really see the... Sorry, there is. But my eyesight is not helping me. But nice. Is this articulated? Yes, articulated hands. Cool. Yay. Nice. Nice. I mean, I do not have much figures from Scary Girls, if at all. But this, that's why this is one of the few that I do have, and I do not have any intention to sell this at all. That's the hoarder in me speaking. You can feel free to convince me otherwise. Oh, is the hand coming out? Oh, nice. Okay, okay. Bit loose. Ah, okay. Just realized you can... It's like a peg in PVC, so it's cool. So it's cool. No worries, no biggie. Works for me. Works for me. Okay, now this guy gotta wipe down a little bit, because the vinyl sweat is pretty intense here. I mean, these are from 2004 lah. So essentially they're like 19 years. 19 years? Now it's 2003. Yeah, maybe 19 years? I don't know. I just randomly count. I'm not gonna rack my brains counting the years, but hey, rock and roll, baby. You can see it's yellowed, but it initially, no doubt, it was clear vinyl. So if the rest of them were PVC, then this one no doubt is vinyl. I think. Might be wrong with my materials, but then again, can I remove this? Ooh. Okay, the question is, if I remove it, can I put it back in? Yeah, maybe I struggle too much and now I spoil my toys. So I'm not gonna take it out lah. I'm not gonna take it out. Yeah. But rock and roll now. I mean, I apologize, I don't have names, I can share them. But yeah. Nice. So these are my Scary Girl figures. That I'm gonna put this aside then. For folks who have tuned in slightly a bit late, let me look at the box. So for folks who have seen it before, you're gonna see it again. This is a box set that came with the 4 PVC figures, Scary Girl, from 2004. Classic lah. Classic old stuff. 2004. I remember 2004. I had stepped into the deep ravine of urban vinyls, designer toys back then. Before that, I was all 1/6 scale, but 2004 was the time I went to Hong Kong, and that's where I was exposed to a lot more designer urban vinyls back then. It was called. Then I have been online before. The TOYSREVIL blog started in 2005. 2006 it got full on about toys in 2006 2007. So this is 2004 pre TOYSREVIL blog, but I had other online entities, and most of them were about 1/6 scale toys, 1/6 scale action figures. So designer toys were few and far in between, but I started with Michael Lau, Eric So those guys pulled me in. The next thing you know, when I went to Hong Kong, Scary Girl. And I recognize Scary Girl because it was, to me, the beginnings of what I totally enjoyed about the designer toy urban vinyl culture, where was that the same as Michael Lau and Eric So, was that they were original creations from the creator himself or herself, and it's not based on an existing property or media. And that's where I start to enjoy designer toys for that regard. Art toys, what we call now. So yeah, this was Scary Girl back in the day. And this is not the only set. I have another huge set which I probably would do an unboxing and when I have a proper larger space for me to showcase lah. So let me have a look through it. Let me see the comments. Is that going to be a real Scary Girl movie? Yes, from Bonnie070. There is an animated Scary Girl movie that has premiered today, October 26th in Australia. I blogged about it on TOYSREVIL. Check out my blog, toysrevill.blogspot.com. I think the first few, the front loading page, you might have a link to see a clip and as well a trailer for the animated movie. So yes, there is an animated movie, feature film. That's why it's cool lah. That's why I'm doing this also in celebration of it, which is totally cool. I don't know when it's gonna premiere beyond Australia. Check with Nathan and check with your folks lah. I mean, once I have any info, I'll definitely put it on the blog as well. You even have a month box. Yeah, 20 years old, man. So maybe I'm not reading it correctly. Yes, 20 years old, 2004. Goodness gracious. I mean, you can see the brownness of it. You can see the discoloration and age. But hey, man, I'm okay with all this because it shows the history and the legacy of toys. It's not something you can see every day on shelves. If you do, I would recommend you grab it if you're a fan of Scary Girls, man. Aki is a character. This is a handbag which I will not take out. No, I mean, I know myself. Stuff like this will just disappear. I'm really bad at keeping toys properly. Nice one. This is cute. I love the proportions of it. So I am, as you can see, putting them back into the box because I have no display space. Otherwise, I mean, my dream is to have a proper display shelf that I could constantly change. And for this premiere of Scary Girls, I would love to do like a little Scary Girl shrine. I mean, I collect toys lah. I think that would be fun. So we are putting this back to the box. TOYSREVIL banner for this year. Yes, this has been my unboxing. Put a little tilt so you don't have too much reflections. Let me see if there are any comments and questions. Yeah, Bonnie 070. I would say decently mint box, no dents and whatnot, but you can feel the age lah. But hey, all good, man, all good. I mean, a lot of my toys unfortunately have been kept in boxes, so I'm one of those, like, a lot of toys kept in boxes when I first bought them. So it's uber cool because years later, decades later, I can take them out and share. And I think a lot of what TOYSREVIL is as well is also archival about toys from before versus the toys you can see in toy shops now. So yeah, I'm gonna end this live, but first have another look at the box art. Very cool. And for fans of Scary Girl and the universe, you will recognize a lot of them has been released as different incarnations of vinyl toys, different interpretations, but yeah, they're all part of the Scary Girl universe. There's Aki. Nice. That's it. And I would like to thank everyone for tuning in. Congratulations again for the Scary Girl animated film that has launched. And Scary Girl by Nathan. Cool. And thank you all for tuning in. And I'll do another unboxing sometime soon. Bye bye.